Hey y'all, hey, it's Reese. Welcome back for a quick little video. First, let me say thank you to all of my old subscribers and welcome to all of my new subscribers. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you will know every single time I come through with a new video. So with that being said, we are going to go ahead and jump right into this video. So today we are going to be talking about Liv's life. Alright, so she just did another Fashion Nova haul, and wait a minute, I can't even remember. Sweetheart, sweetie, Jack, can you give me the iPad there? You have it? Wait a minute, I just wanted one iPad. Which one of these has a battery? This one? Okay, these three. Here, take your iPads. Close my door for me. Somebody. Did y'all hit? Let's see. Hold up, y'all. So yeah, so what we're gonna be talking about is Liv and this Fashion Nova haul that she did. Yeah, in this Fashion Nova haul that she did. Alright, so my iPad is acting crazy or whatever. It's trying to do something. Look, I don't know. I don't even think this is my iPad. Alright, here we go. Just great. I don't have a battery. Alright, so anyway, hopefully I remember the actual outfits that she had on. That's the only reason I was going to use my iPad. So anyway, the first outfit I think that Liv had on was an outfit that I think she actually has in her intro. It's like a little white dress or whatever. I think it was something like that. But yeah, it was like a pretty like burgundy, like kind of like sheer or whatever. It was very, very cute. I mean, it was a little bit too short for her, and as always, it was a little, well, it was a lot tight, but I would have put on some really nice, girdles, Spanx, or something like that. But she said that she did have on some actual, I guess, Spanx girdle or whatever underneath of there, but I think she said that she may have purchased it from Walmart. So, I mean, I don't know. So anyway, it was like I said, the color was like really cute. Again, it was too tight, and you know, she just needed to have something to pull herself together. Because see, the thing of it is that Liv, I don't know, you know, where she gets like her shapewear from, but I've seen people that are actually bigger than her, and they can actually put that shapewear on and pull themselves in really good, and they actually look really cute. So yeah, so she did that dress. Now, Liv, baby, why you keep letting Fashion Nova send you the wrong sizes? Like, I think, you know, I have came and had this conversation with you like more than once, Olivia. Like, it's stressful, Olivia. Get yourself together. You get what I'm saying? Now, next, she had on another dress that was like that. It laced up right here. It was all black, and I think it had long sleeves, but it was kind of short as well. Only thing that I will say about this, she could have got it a little bit better. I'm sorry, she could have got it a little bit bigger, as always, with all of her clothes. And she needed like some really good shapewear on. Like, Liv, you need to go to Nordstrom's, you get what I'm saying, and get you some Spanx. If you don't want to go to Nordstrom's, what I will tell you to do is go to Target. Target has a brand. I can't think of the name of it or anything because I actually have some. But it's a brand that they have, and they are actually made by Spanx. Okay, so it's basically a sister company. And again, you can go to Target and pick that up. So yeah, I mean, it was cute or whatever. Then she actually had on, next she had, what did she have on next? I think that she came on, she had some like black, like tight jeans that were like, you know, ripped and everything. And then she had a Savage shirt on. Now, this is what I will say. The jeans were absolutely cute. I would put them on at any moment. They seem like they fit you. They hug you. And I love for my jeans to fit me and hug me like, ugh. But anyway, yeah, so she had the jeans on. The thing about the jeans that I really liked as well is the jeans kind of reacted as if they, you know, were like shapewear or something. So they came up, which pushed her upper stomach in a little bit more. But of course, she still had the little bottom down there. But it was still cute. It didn't matter because the shirt that she had on, I mean, the shirt was cute. The shirt is actually the first thing that I have ever seen from Fashion Nova that she has gotten that actually fit. But like I said again, this shirt was really cute. The jeans. The shirt had Savage on it. It had like some type of pattern or something like that. But me personally, what I would actually do with that actual shirt is I probably would go ahead and cut it up here or something. I mean, I would have it cut here, hanging off the shoulder. That's exactly what I would have done to that t-shirt. I would have went ahead on and customized it and made it as cute as I wanted it to be. Now, she went on and she also tried on a jean jacket. Now, this I will say was another item that she got from Fashion Nova, which is actually the size that she was supposed to get. And I mean, the jacket was really cute. It had the same effect like the black jeans. It was like ripped. It was long. It wasn't a crop top. It was the normal size. And then on the back, it had some rips, okay? Now, she said that she kind of did not like it because basically it was a little bit too big for her. But I'm thinking because like when you buy clothes like that from Fashion Nova and you know all those little stores that sell like cheap clothes or whatever, when you wash them, they will actually shrink up. You get what I'm saying? So I think with that jacket, it probably is going to shrink up a little once she washes it, and it's going to fit her just right. But I mean, it was really, really cute. I mean, yeah, the jacket was real, real cute on her. She also had at the end, I think this is the last thing, she had a pocketbook and a purse, whatever you guys want to call it, bag, whatever. And the bag was like a pretty snakeskin bag, but it had multiple colors in it. I think the main color of the bag was turquoise. I mean, it was really, really cute. It was just a regular square bag. And the bag, it had like, you know, the little pocket, and it had a flap over. And the button was those kind that, you know, you turn it horizontally and then it opens the bag up. But yeah, the bag was absolutely cute. I mean, this haul, I wouldn't say was, you know, a bad haul like she normally does with the clothes like really, really, really extremely tight, but it seems like she's getting somewhere. Now that I'm actually thinking, she actually had another outfit now that I can think about it. She had like a pair of black, like I guess like fitted black pants or fitted slacks or whatever. And then she had this tank top that basically tied around her neck. The top was simply cute, okay? She did it in that one. That one I will say. So, yeah, the top was like a glitter type or whatever. And I think it was like maybe a tannish color, glitterish or whatever, tied around her neck. Then she had the jacket to actually match it. Liv, you did it, girl, in this one. The first two things were a little bit tight, but I just realized you have just redeemed yourself because I was almost getting ready to forget about this outfit. So, yeah, so it came with a jacket, you know, regular length level, and the jacket was long sleeve, had like these little puffs up here or whatever. You get what I'm saying? And I mean, it was really cute. That outfit was basically clearly something that I would wear. It was like a boss outfit, like, I mean, it was like, yeah, you could do it in an interview, you know what I'm saying? But no, I wouldn't have take that to an interview. That's like a suit that, you know, you can like just walk out, going out on a nice date, and it might be a little bit cool or whatever, whereas though you want to take your jacket off once you come out or you go in, and then when you take that jacket off, honey, you go ahead and slang it across your shoulder and walk on in, baby. Because, girl, I love to have an outfit on, fitted, got a jacket that go to it all business type, and when I get out of my car, when I step out of there, I throw it over me and, you know, do what you do. You know, see, the thing is, you wear something, you get what I'm saying, and you already know you, the shit in it or whatever, and it just make you, like, feel so good. Me all damn day, okay? Like I said, I would have threw that coat over my shoulders, had me on some nice, cute heels, okay? And then if I really wanted to actually show off, I probably would have put, you know, the red bottoms on. And then, you know, when you got your red bottoms on, sometimes you want to get a little cute. So sometimes what I'll do is, I'll go ahead and cross my leg. And then, you know, you can see the red at the shoe. Y'all already know what I'm talking about. Y'all already know. But yeah, that was very cute. So I gotta say, Liv, yeah, you redeemed yourself on any other Fashion Nova haul that you did. You did that. Ain't nothing else that I could say. You definitely did that. Now, another thing, Liv, about that jean jacket, you can also take it and cut the bottom off if you want to. Go ahead and, you know, like shred it and then wash it. So if you want it to be like a crop top jacket or whatever, you can do that as well. But yeah, you did that. I don't have nothing else to say about that. But look, the next one that you do, get some more clothes like you had at the end, the jeans, the t-shirt, the dress set or whatever. Oh, wait a minute, I'm forgetting something else. That's why I wanted my you know, my computer or whatever, but it's not charged. She also had on this really, really cute, it was a long sleeve. It looked like somebody threw bleach on it, bleach spots or something on it. And it had Tupac on it. That shirt was really, really cute. Very cute. And that shirt I would probably have cut it up around the neck or something so that it would hang off my shoulder, or I probably would have cut the collar so basically it would just, you know, look ripped or whatever. Yeah, I probably would have did that, because that's what I do with a lot of my shirts when I'm just like bored and it's a boring plain t-shirt. I'll go ahead and cut it off, make it, you know, off the arm or whatever. Yeah, that's what I would have did. But anyway, now, Liv, I just realized this after I've edited this video, so therefore I am putting it in right now. Now, Liv, you were actually doing okay, but what the fuck is this? What is this? And you said that you would wear it around the house? No, don't ever wear that around the house. Actually, don't wear it at all. I mean, it almost looks like you could use this as shapewear. You probably should have put that underneath that little burgundy number that you had in the little black dress or whatever. I mean, you was doing real well, Liv. I just had said you redeemed yourself and everything. And then I thought about this. So I am going to say thank you to all of my old subscribers. Welcome to all of my new subscribers. New subscribers, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you will know what every single time that I decide to come through with a new video. So until the next video, guys, see you later.